Hello students, today I am going to start integration by substitution method from the book ML Overall for class 12. I have written the special form that you see integration f of x whole to the power n into f dash x. The answer is f of x whole to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, exercise 9.3. Just see the process of solving. I am taking one question. See, from the book I have taken the question integration. Question number 1, first part, integration x to the power 3 whole into 1 plus x to the power 4 whole cube dx. Let us see the process of solving. Okay, exercise 9.3, integration by substitution method. The special form is f of x whole to the power. Just see the process, f of x whole to the power n into f dash x, mean derivative, is equal to answer is f of x whole to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. C is the integration constant. If you have to write out. Let us take one question that I have taken from the book, ML Overall book. The question number 1, first part, x cube whole into 1 plus x to the power 4 whole cube. Which one you have to take as substitute, that you have to see. Let us see the process of solving. Just see, follow. Let us take 1 plus x to the power 4 as u. As you know, we are taking x 1 plus x to the power 4 taking as u. What is the derivative of this? This will be 1 derivative 0. This will be 4x cube dx equal to du. That means x cube dx will be how much? Du by 4. After that, you put the value of x cube dx as du by 4. The function will be changed like this: 1 plus x to the power 4 is equal to u. Means this will be u cube and x cube dx is equal to du by 4. This 1 by 4 taken outside of integration. Next we have write u cube du. So what is the answer? 1 by 4, the power will be u to the power 3 plus 1, 4 by 4 plus c. This is the integration process. That final answer is coming u to the power 4 divided by 16 plus c. I hope you are able to understand. 1 by 16. What is the value of u? You have to put again 1 plus x to the power 4. 1 plus x to the power 4 whole to the power 4 plus c. This is the answer of number 1. Let us see again. I am taking 1 plus x to the power 4 as u. The derivative of 1 is 0. It will be 4x cube dx equal to du. Then x cube dx will be 4 divided. This value you have to substitute where? Here. Okay. X cube dx is du by 4 and this is converted to u cube. As for the formula here, u to the power 3 plus 1 is 4 by 4. And this 1 by 4 is already taken outside. Final answer will be 1 by 16, 1 plus x to the power 4 whole to the 4 plus c. Just see the process of solving. Just see how I solve. Just see the process of solving. Okay. Let us go next question. See the question number 1, second part. Question given 2x plus 4 whole x square plus 4x plus 3 root over dx. Which one you have to take substitute? Let us see the process of solving like this. Let x square plus 4x plus 3 as u. Let x square plus 4x plus 3 I am taking as u. What is the derivative of x square? That will be 2x and this will be 4 dx is equal to du. Now you substitute the value of 2x plus 4 dx, that will be du and this will be integration u root over du. Now u root over is u to the power half, this will be half plus 1. Okay, this will be half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 plus c. The final answer will be 3 by 2. This will be 2 by 3. Put the value of u, that is x square 4x plus 3 whole to the power 3 by 2 plus c. This is the integration constant you have to write everywhere. Let me explain again. Inside the root over x square plus 4x plus 3 given, you have to substitute this part as u. Some book they are writing t, I am writing u. The derivative of x square as 2x, 4x as 4, this will be 0. 2x plus 4 whole dx equal to du. Just putting the value of 2x plus 4 whole dx as du, and this is nothing but u. U root over. U root over means power is half. The answer will be u to the power half plus 1 by half plus 1. This should be 3 by 2. This will reverse 2 by 3. Putting the value of u as x square plus 4x plus 3 whole to the power. This power has been 3 by 2 plus c. Just see. Let us go next. See the question number 2. That is first part I am doing. Number 2 first part. The question given inside the bracket it is given x square plus 3 whole to the power 3 by 2. Outside bracket that is given x and it is dx. See how to solve this question. The question given x square plus 3 you have to take as u. Let x square plus 3 you have to take as u. What is the derivative of x square? That will be 2x. This is 0. 2x dx equal to du. The final will be x dx will be du by 2. Now put the value of x dx as du by 2. Okay. Du by 2 means take 1 by 2 outside and x square plus 3 as u to the power 3 by 2 x dx du by 2. By 2 I have taken outside. That means 1 by 2 this will be how much? U to the power 3 by 2 plus 1, that is 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 plus c integration constant. This 2 will be taken off to cancel 1 by 5. U means what? U means x square plus 3. Okay, just to see here. X square plus 3 whole to the power 5 by 2 and plus 2. This is the answer of number 2 first part. Using the method integration by substitution. The integration by substitution. The process is integration by substitution. You are substituting the value of x square plus 3 as u. Then differentiating both sides, we are getting 2x dx equal to du. Dividing to that side, x dx du by 2. Finally, we are getting 1 by 2. Integration, this will be converted u to the power 3 by 2. X dx means du by 2 by 2. Everything outside. The integration formula is, you know what is the formula for integration formula? If you are not remember, I am writing the formula here again. Integration of x to the power n dx. The formula is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus 3. Okay. Using this formula, I have done this term. By the method, use substitution method. By substituting the value of x square plus 3 as u, therefore the method is called integration. Integrating the function by the method of substitution. Okay. The final result is 1 by 5 x square plus 3 whole to the power 5 by 2 plus 3. Just copy the question answer. See the question number 2 second part. Question given 4x plus 1 by 2x square plus x minus 7 root over. See the question 4x plus 1 by 2x square plus x minus 7 root over dx. Therefore, you have to take this as u. Right here, let Okay, let 2x square plus x minus 7 as u. Okay, then differentiating both sides, it will be 4x plus 1 dx and du. Now we will have 4x plus, because there is question number 2 second part, question given 4x plus 1 by 2x square plus x minus 7 root over. Just see, I have taken 2x square plus x minus 7 as u. So what is the derivative of this part? This will be 4x plus 1 dx equal to, now put the value of x. Integration 4x plus 1 dx will be du, and downside u root over. And this is nothing but u to the power minus half du. Now apply the formula. Which formula? The formula is here. U to the power minus half plus 1. This will be half by half plus c. The final answer will be 2 u root over plus c. Now 2, what is u root over? U means what? This part I have taken 2x square plus x minus 7 root over plus c is the answer. Then c, I am substituting the value of 2x square plus x minus 7 as u. Therefore the method is called integration by substitution. I am substituting the value of 2x square plus x minus 7 as u, differentiating both sides. I am getting 4x plus 1 dx equal to du. That putting the value of 4x plus 1 dx as du divided by u root over. U root over means power is half, take it off. This will be minus half. I am writing here u to the minus half du. Then apply the formula u to the power minus half plus 1. That will be u to the power half by half plus this. And that will be 2 u root over. That is written here. Now put the value of u, that is 2x square plus x minus 7. The final answer is 2x square plus x minus 7 root over. 2 is outside, this 2 and plus 6 is the result is followed. Okay, number 2 second part I have completed from the book, Avogadro book, exercise 9.3. Okay, for your textbook for class 12. Let's see the process. This is the question number 3 first part. 3x plus 1 by 3x square plus 2x minus 5 whole cube dx integration. Okay, just see the process of solving here. You take 3x square plus 2x minus 5 as u. Then 3x square plus 2x minus 5 as u. What is the derivative of this one? It is 6x plus 2 whole dx equal to du. Differentiating both sides with respect to du by dx. This will be 6x plus 5 multiplied by d this side, it will be 0. Now take 2 common here. Take 2 common, then you have to like this. 3x plus 1 dx equal to du. Okay. Now see. Here it is only 3x plus 1 dx. You are arrange like this. Right? You are 1 by 2 integration 2 whole into 3x plus 1 dx divided by 3x square plus 2x minus 5 whole cube. Okay. This is the process. I have multiplied 2 here and here adjusted because 2 whole into 3x plus 1 dx equal to du. This 1 by 2 is outside. This is du by, this is nothing but u cube. And finally what you get? 1 by 2 integration u to the power minus 3 du. That is 1 by 2 u to the power minus 3 plus 1. That is minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus 3. The result will be how much? Minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 and take it down. It will be u square. What is u? This is 3x square 3x square plus 2x minus 9. This will be power will be, because u to the power minus k into even it will be positive power is positive to constant plus here that this is the answer of number 3 first part. Okay, this minus 1 and negative here, this will be minus 1. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer of number 3. Now let me explain again. 3x plus 1 divided by 3x square plus 2x minus 5 whole cube. This one you take as u. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. This will be 6x plus 2. dx are taken this side, du taking to power. Okay. And these two I have added here to multiply to divide it. These two were to 3x plus 1 dx is nothing but du. This is what is that? That is u I have taken. U cube. Taking off this will be u to the power minus 6. That's what the formula. Minus 3 plus 1 that will be minus 2 by minus 2. This will be minus 1 by 4. This will be u square. If we take it downward, this is the value of t. This is the result of number 3 first part. Just to see the process of solving. Next time for number 3 second part. Just see. See the number 3 second part question. Integration sign, integration 4x plus 2 inside the root over it is given x square plus x minus 3 whole dx. Okay, just see the process of solving. You have to substitute x square plus x minus 3 as u. Take it. Let x square plus x minus 3 as u. What is the derivative of this one? This will be 2x plus 1 dx equal to du. Now put the value of 2x plus 1 dx equal to du. Before that we have to take two common here. Then this will be as written like this. X square plus x minus 3 over. This will be 2x plus 1 dx. Okay. Now see here. This one is nothing but u to the power half root over limit, and this is du. The final answer will be 2 into u to the power 3 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus 3 is the constant, 2 into the power. This will be 4 by 3. What is the u? This is x square plus x minus 3. Go to the power 3 by 2 plus 3. This is the answer of number 3 second part. I hope you are able to understand the process of solving the integration by substitution method. Okay, the special form is there. Next we will continue this exercise with more sum. Let us see the process of solving here. Next we will continue the same chapter, remaining part of the exercise. Just follow the process number 3 second part that I solved. Thank you for today's class.